children, second class maths, chapter drill children. Exercise 1.8 open no children. Now see here page number 26, chapter drill. Okay children, what is the first bit children? Write each number and then write it in words. Okay children. Now see here children, first one what is that? 100, 9 tens, 5 ones means 1 is the hundreds place, 9 is in tens place, 5 is in ones place no children. Now see here 1 is hundreds place, 9 is in tens place, 5 is in ones place. Here this boxes, how many boxes is there? 100 boxes is there children. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Here how many boxes? 90 boxes is there. Here 5 boxes. You count that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, did you understand children? Now see here B1 also same to write like that only no. 7 ones. Not tens place not there no children here. Tens place not there means what should you do? You put that tens place value, you put that 0 children. Okay. Here 1 is 100 place, tens place not there means you put 0 and ones place which number is there here? 7. 7 boxes is there no? Then you write that 7. Okay children, now see here second bit. Write the place value of the digit in each place of each number. Okay children, place values. First already I told this. Which in exercise 1.2. Now see here 5. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Okay children, 6. 6 which place is there? Tens place. Tens place means 60. Write down. Which place is there? Hundreds place. Hundreds place how many zeros is there? 2 zeros. You put 2 zeros. Okay children, see here same. B1 also same to write like that only. Do on your own children. C1 see here. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now see here. Ones place value 0. Tens place 0. 2 zeros you put or only 1 0 you put. That is your wish children. Okay. Now see here. Hundreds place only 2 and 2 zeros. Okay, did you understand children? Now see here. See here third bit, arrange the following numbers. Increasing order, decreasing order. Now see here children. 24, 40, 92, 17. See. Increasing means small to big. Decreasing means big to small. Okay children. Now see here. Which is the small number children here? Given numbers no? Some sets of numbers is there no children? Which is the small number? 24, 40, 92, 17. 17 is the small number no children. Then first you should write 17, comma. Next this is over no children. Next which number is small children? 24. 24, comma. 24 also over. Remaining 2 numbers is there. Which number is small children? 40. 40 or 92? 40 is the small number. Last number is 92. Over no children. All numbers over no children. Now see, decreasing order means big to small you should write children. Big to small. First this number will come 92, comma. Next 40, comma. Reverse you should write children. Okay. And 24, comma. 17. Did you understand children how to write increasing and decreasing order? Same to write like that only. Same this one also see here. Which number is small? First you should write. Here 17 is small no children. Again write 17. Next 17 over 35, 84, 90. order. Okay, 96, comma, 84, comma, and 35, comma, 17. Over the children, third bit also, increasing and decreasing order. Remaining, see here, fill in the box with the correct number. Okay, odd numbers and even numbers children. Already I told, odd number and even number. Alternative numbers will come, no children. Okay, like this way also you should write. 1 here, odd number, no children. Even number 2. 3, odd number. 4, even number. 5, odd number. 6, even number. 7, odd number. 8, even number. 9, odd number. 10, even number. 11, odd number. 12, even number. See here. Okay, now children. Now worksheet children, see here, circle the correct answer children. Circle the correct answer. 100, 0 tens, 4 ones. Means 104 no children answer. 104. Where is that here? Flower given, no flower some numbers is there children. Okay. Which answer correct? You circle that answer. Okay. This is 104, no? 104. Now see here 100, 2 tens, 5 ones. 100 place is 1, 2 tens place in 2, ones place in 5. 1, 2, 5. Here where is that? 1, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2, no? No, 1, 5, 9. Don't write. 1, 2, 5 you circle that. Okay, did you understand children? See here. 200, 0 tens, 0 ones. Means 200. 2 is in hundreds place. 0 is in ones place. 0 in tens place. 0 in ones place. Means 200. Okay children, this one also 100, 5 tens, 1, 0 ones. 1, 5, 0. 1, 5, 0. Now see here, circle the 10 in each number. Tens place value only you circle that children. Tens place. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Ones, middle number you circle that children. Okay. Here see. Circle the ones in each number. Ones place value you only you circle that. See here 8. 0. First number is the ones place, no children. You circle first value. First place value. Okay. Did you understand children? These all you complete your textbook children. Okay. After completing, send the images to my contact children. If any doubts, contact me. Thank you.